Torrent Pharma has given more than 1250% return to equity shareholders in the last 10 years. The share was quoted 286 by 2011 first week of April, and the same stock is quoted in the market in 2020 by April first week around 1960. The company has given 1-to-1 bonus also in the year 2013. So the calculation goes like this. The amount of net increase in investment of one share in Torrent Pharma in the last 10 years is rupees 3,634. So if we calculate the actual profit, it comes around 1,270%. If you see the chart, you can easily understand that the share price of the company has been steadily increasing from the year 2011 to 2020, except the year 2018 there was a small dip. Otherwise, generally there is a consistent and strong growth of the share price of the company. Torrent Pharma is always delighting its equity shareholders by following very liberal dividend policy. The amount of dividend per share is always more than 8 for the last 10 years. In fact, in 2013 it was 23, 35 in 2016, again in 2020 it is 32. The percentage of dividend is also very high. The earning per share is also very healthy. In 2019 only it was 25, whereas in other years it is always very high. Similarly, the share price to book value is also very healthy. It indicates the company's stock is fairly priced, not overpriced. It was 4 decades ago that Sri Mehta started his journey called Torrent for a simple cause and unique sense of purpose, happiness for all. A medical representative with an extraordinary vision, he ventured out on his own by making niche marketing as his core competency, and the rest, as they say, is history. Torrent lives up to the literal meaning, rushing stream, especially in the way it conceives the products and services, which transforms life. Over the years, the Torrent Group has remained focused on healthcare and power, two crucial sectors without which modern life is unimaginable. The Torrent Group today is not just spreading care, hope and happiness across the world, it is also empowering the people and lighting up their lives. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited, the flagship company of Torrent Group, is one of the leading pharma companies in India. The company was a pioneer in initiating the concept of niche marketing in India, and today it is ranked among the leaders in therapeutic segment, cardiovascular, central nervous system, gastrointestinal, and women health care. The company also has a significant presence in dialectology, pain management, gynecology, oncology, and anti-infective segments. Torrent Pharma's competitive edge stems from the world-class manufacturing facilities, advanced R&D capabilities, extensive domestic network, and a widespread global presence in over 40 countries. Older people, representing 65 and older, is projected to increase from 9% in 2019 to 16% by 2050. These scenarios are expected to promote healthcare spending. The changing lifestyle causes obesity, hypertension, depression, diabetics, and cardiovascular diseases and other physical problems. The middle class population as well as per capita income continues to expand, driving demand for healthcare solutions. This expansion is likely to be more prominent in emerging markets. Penetration of health insurance is expected to surge with government-sponsored initiatives and programs. Increase in private sector insurance also play an important role in affordability for higher cost. Major technological shifts over the past few years have encouraged a rapid increase in the use of advanced analytics. Drug price control by government will have an impact on the margins of the company. The company manages its products portfolio so as to minimize the product weightage of drugs under price control. The Government of India is encouraging use of generic products through various initiatives. This may have an impact on future business strategies of the company. New product development and launch involve substantial expenditure which may not be recovered due to several factors including development uncertainties, increased competition, regulatory delays, lower than anticipated price realizations, delay in market launch, and marketing failure. The company manages the above risks related to the launch of new products and the regulatory approvals through careful market research for selection of new products, detailed project planning, and continuous monitoring. The business is expected to potential claims for product liability. These risks are sought to be managed by appropriate laboratory and clinical studies for each new product, compliance with global manufacturing practices, and independent quality assurance system. The company may launch a generic product based on legal and commercial factors.